Hi folks, Chris Voss here from thechrisvossshow.com. Hey, coming in with a mind-blowing security camera like you've never seen before. This thing is probably the best security camera on the market right now. It's the Lighthouse security camera. And this thing has AI and 3D built into it. Now, the folks at Light.House basically sat down and they took self-driving car automation, all the technology that goes into it, the 3D viewing of subjects into it, and they packed all of that sort of learning and technology into a security camera. So they built the Lighthouse security camera with a 3D sensor, video camera, computer vision, and deep learning all inside of it that can take and control your everyday life, monitor what's happening in your home, what happened, and what shouldn't be happening as well. And they packed it all in. This is literally a security camera with AI and 3D built into it. So it's a learning thing. It's something you can interact with, etc., etc. Just really freaking amazing, the technology in here. It even discerns 3D-wise and AI-wise from pets, from humans, from motions that you can take and do, whether you want to have your kids waving at the camera to let you know that they are home for the day and that they're good and all that good stuff, or if you just want to know if maybe the dog sitter doesn't show up, or maybe different things show up that shouldn't be in your home as well, and of course it will alert you to those as well. I'm just mind blown what goes into this baby, and so let's talk some of the features that are in it. It's got live streaming where you can see the home in beautiful 1080p in both portrait and landscape modes. Of course, you can use your app on your mobile devices to do that. It's got no false alerts because it's got a 3D sensor and advanced AI. It eliminates the annoying stream of motion alerts of other security cameras. I tell you, I've reviewed, I don't know, maybe 50 security cameras over the years, and a lot of them do get tricked by lighting changes or pets, and this thing detects the actual movement of people. Now you'll see from the videos from it, it actually draws a line around them, and 3D-wise, it knows who's who and what's what, and lets you know if there's an issue with it. You can get notified, of course, when there's security threats, and you can sound a built-in security siren or use the two-way talk. It's got night vision that's just amazing. It will blow your mind. In fact, colors and lights show up on it like nothing I've ever seen in night vision. It's got guest control, so you can take and give access to family or trusted guests on the app, or set up strict access permissions to keep the video private. You can video search by voice. So you can literally talk to the app and tell it, hey, what did the kids do while I was out yesterday? What has the cat done since I left? What did you see at the front door on Tuesday between 8 and 10 a.m.? Did you see Chris with the dog at the front door while I was away last week? You can literally tap into your library of videos and content and find stuff that you're looking for. You can even do a daily recap, which is really cool. Just amazing. It's all AI. How about that? People and pet recognition. You can save and share, of course, the videos, download them, all that good stuff, and it gives you multi-camera support. The pings, you can have custom notifications for certain things, like saying, if you don't see the kids by 4 p.m. on weekdays when I'm away, let me know. Tell me if you see anyone new while I'm gone. Send me a ping when John gets home today. Ping me if Dana doesn't arrive on Saturdays between 10 a.m. You can literally control and customize this thing because it's AI, artificial intelligence. It can learn and work with you. And you can see what's important with a glance. Facial recognition, so it always knows when the people that are supposed to be in your home are in your home, or when they're not, the people that are supposed to be in your home. And it's got a tricolor LED indicator on the front as well. It's got encryption technology that gives you basically 48-bit keys and AES-256 session encrypted, which is your bank grade TLS and SSL. And you can log in using their industry standards for protocols with tamper-proof via digitally signed bootloader and updates. All the data is stored encrypted, so that's always good to have. You got data privacy and privacy that you can always control as well. AI service, of course, with it, where you can take and have an adjustable plan where you can have a camera available and all that good stuff. So I highly recommend you check this baby out. 1080p HD video, 95 degrees diagonal field view, high quality automatic night vision, and an included base that tilts up and down, and it unscrews from the base so you can use an optional wall mount available. And there's more stuff they just keep adding to this as well. It is indoor use only right now, and I'm certainly going to be excited when Lighthouse comes with an outdoor model. Hopefully they will. I don't know if they will, but I'm certainly excited to see what offerings they're going to have in the future. I highly recommend this product. For the cost of what you're paying for it, you're going to get the best security cam on the market as recording this video, and you're going to just have a feature-rich product that can do so much for you than just about anything I've ever reviewed. In fact, I should say anything I've ever reviewed.
Oh my gosh, look what's in this box. I'd love to show you, but first you've got to subscribe, like the channel, and get notifications for your mobile thing. And then you can see what's inside boxes like these as we unbox the latest technology for you. Be sure to check it out. Oh, wow, that's pretty. See you next time. Or click any of these videos. Either way. Got to find out what's in the box.